going on, guys? Steady Streaming Cashios here. I'm Zach. This is our latest build. This is a 2020 Ram Promaster 2500 159 wheelbase. Our main focus for this build was simplicity. Just bed, your essentials, bikes of course, sink, power, that's it. With that said, let's check out what all we've got in here. This is our main cabinet in the van. So if you look at this van right here, it looks like any ordinary van. That's true, because we still want it to feel homey, but yet do what it needs to do. So we're gonna start off here. We've got a Blue Eddy that powers everything in this van, from the fridge to the water pump to the lights, etc. So this does everything that you need it to do. And so we've got the fuse block right here, so everything is fused. So don't have to worry about anything like that. And so with this Blue Eddy, the way I have it hooked up is I've got it running from solar right now. So it's charging on solar, as well as when you're driving and like today, it's very cloudy, overcast. You can actually get more power to charge this from the battery of the van itself. So I have a little plug that goes into your cigarette lighter, and then it'll, you can charge it two ways: solar, cigarette lighter. This is 2,000 watts. I think it's like a peak of like 4,800 watts. So you've got 6 120 volt plugs right there. Underneath here, you've got a nice big drawer for pots, pans. So underneath the sink cabinet, we've got a 6-gallon freshwater and a 6-gallon gray water along with our water pump. And you still have a little bit more room for storage for a trash can. So we've got a nice little black stainless bar sink with a nice cutting board up top. Plenty of room. Got a nice faucet. One nice feature is also these sliding windows with a screen. So while you're cooking right here, if you need a little bit of smoke or steam or anything to come out, you can open up these windows or create a nice fresh breeze during the day when you need it. Underneath these cabinets, this cabinet, we got 2 nice 12-volt little push to click lights. We got a nice upper cabinet. So the ProMasters, they come with this up top overhead storage. There's lots of room to stuff lots of things. Onto the fridge. We've got a 12-volt fridge here. It's a fridge freezer. It's a dual zone. Pick which one you want: fridge, freezer, both fridge or freezer. So plugs in right here. It's secured right here and here, so it's not going anywhere during the day. But if you need it, you need space right here, you can pull it out, move it somewhere else. One thing that works for here is that you can sit. You can sit right here, enjoy your company that sits right across from you. And in this bench right here, at the moment, we've got the toilet. So it's a Thetford toilet down in there. But again, it's a bench. On this side of the cabinet, we have 3 switches. One for the water pump, another one for the bedroom lights, and another for the front lights. So right now, I'll just I'll point out to you that there is plenty of open space down below. So we've got L-track on the sides, the front, and the very back. And so we've got 2 bike fork mounts up front, up in the back, and that's what secured the bikes. And so you have plenty of room for 4 bikes. You could even throw in an air mattress down below, just whatever you need, but there's plenty of open room down there. And so we'll go around the back here in a little bit and we'll show you that. This is your bed area. This is removable. So these are the IKEA struts. And so they're mounted on 3-inch angle iron. I've secured the 3-inch angle iron on both sides of the wall. And so it mounts on here. So this is one piece, this is one piece. And so from side to side, roughly, what was it, 75 inches, I think it was 74 and a half inches from side to side. From here to there is about 60. So I'll just show you. So on a good day, I'm 5'9", and so I still have plenty of room. So 2 people can easily sleep here. In both back doors, nice little cubbies up here. Each person will have their own light. You can point it down, point it up. Reading lights with a charger underneath. There's also chargers right here, USB and Type-C. Like I said, they're on both sides. And right above Colleen, is our max air fan with a remote control. Also, in the back doors, these are insulated covers. Obviously we don't have windows, but these are insulated and they have little cubby, little pouches right here. One of my main focuses for this van was securing bikes. Mountain bikes, street bikes, whatever that is, was securing the bikes. So you can see we've got the L-track on the floor. We've got these bike fork mounts. This is a 29-inch tire bike. This is a 29er. 29ers can fit. I just had to drop my seat down, which isn't a big deal. If you have a dropper post, drop it down. This is a 27.5. And so there are 2 bikes right there. You could easily fit 2 more bikes, whether you're a couple who has 2 mountain bikes and 2 street bikes. In the rear of the van, we have 2 LED exterior lights. So at the flip of a switch at night, you have scene lights on each side of the van. We have 1 on each side of the van on 2 separate switches. So for this side, for that side, you have scene lighting as well for the night. Just like the rear doors of the van, we have these pocket little holders, little cubbies. So for scarves, hats, beanies, gloves, things of that nature. And in the sliding door, as well as that side, we have the same window. So plenty of breeze with a screen so buggies don't get in there. So now that you've seen the tour, now you can go check it out on our website. This van is for sale. And so we'll have all the details, the specs, the list price, everything like that on there. So thanks for checking it out. Stay steady.